Discuss the difference between new and malloc. See, in C++ we use new and malloc. In C we were using the malloc. This malloc in C++ is used very rarely, but still we need to know the differences. Okay, how do we use this new and malloc? Let us see first, then we'll go to the difference. Okay, we have an integer. So we have to allocate memory for storing one integer. How do we do this? Integer, let us take a value, means the variable name, and you just put it as, you write a new here and then int. So you have allocated memory for storing one integer, and this value is the name of that memory location. Then you use this delete. It will just deallocate the memory which is being just given to value. Delete is deallocation of memory. Now malloc will do what? Let me just write it. It is also doing the dynamic memory allocation. Like int, let us take, we have a pointer, p pointer. Now we have to typecast it, because malloc will return a void. So you have to put an int star or double star, whichever. Because malloc is a function and it is going to return a void star. Okay, void means void pointer. So you have to give, and then in malloc you have to actually give the size. That is, for example, we have 20 byte you have to assign. So the size of integer is 4 byte. You have to assign 5 integer, the 5 bytes, 5 for 4 bytes. That is 5, and then you have to specifically give size of integer. So 4 byte one integer, 5 integer you want to store in dynamic or in heap. So it will be 5 to size of integer. Okay, now let us take one by one differences. See, first difference is that new is an operator. It's an operator. You can call it as a keyword also. But malloc is a function. It's a function. Round bracket, wherever you have a round bracket after anything, that is a function. Malloc is a function. Whenever you use new, it will automatically call the constructor. It will automatically call the constructor. Malloc, it's a function. It will never call the constructor. Then there is no need to specify any memory size. Did we specify memory size here? No, it has already taken 4 bytes. But in malloc, if you remember, we have given size of integer. That is, we have actually given that this is the size of integer, 5 into 5 memory locations I want for integers. So you have to specify the memory size. The new operator can be overloaded. You can overload it. Malloc is a function. Here it cannot be overloaded. Malloc cannot be overloaded. Right? So there are few more differences. For example, the new is an operator, malloc is a function. In C, new, in C++ we use new, in C we use malloc. Otherwise, rarely in other language. So the malloc can allocate memory for anything. New can do it for, if you see here, array, struct, objects, etc. The main thing is the malloc is going to return a void star. So you have to typecast it by yourself in star, right? But you don't have to do anything like that. You don't have to typecast or anything like that in new. And when you have say some memory allocation you are doing, but there is no memory in the heap, so it will return null. And when you use new, it is going to give you an exception if the heap is full, and when it is out of memory, it throws an exception. You have to catch it. For freeing up, malloc use free, free, this is what it uses, and new will use the delete, or you have to use delete for that.